Hello everybody and welcome back. I thought I would give you an update on my little container garden here on the balcony. Let's just dive in. So on Monday, I added more plants. Now I added more plants on Sunday as well, and I'll show you in a moment. Let's just listen to the airplane fly over. No, you know what? It's not an airplane, it's a helicopter. Sounds like the air ambulance. In my old apartment, I had an excellent view. I had the city panoramic view for 17 years, and I need some greenery in my life. Anyway, on Monday, I went to Canadian Tire and I purchased some white bacopa, as you can see there, bottom right of this plant. However, prior to that, I had gone to Walmart, but when I had gotten to Walmart, their garden center was closed because their systems were down. So given that Canadian Tire is right across the street, that's where I went. And actually, I found exactly what I was looking for at Canadian Tire. So before I get into more, on Sunday, last Sunday, I went on to Facebook Marketplace and I purchased 5 black recycled plastic self-watering plant pots. Now I've kind of disabled the self-watering mechanism. I took it out, and what I did is I drilled holes in the bottom of these planters, and they're no longer self-watering. I'm not interested in self-watering. I don't have a big space here. I don't need to save time on watering. I'm very happy to water. So in all, I purchased 3 square planters and 2 circular planters. Don't mind the broom there. So at Canadian Tire, I purchased 3 geranium plants. Now, my late mother loved geraniums. She called them geraniums. She knew they were called geraniums. She just had fun pronouncing it differently. So I purchased myself 3 geraniums at Canadian Tire. My favorite here is the pink on the left. However, my mother's favorite would have been the red. She planted a lot of red geraniums at the cottage as well as her home. Now again, these are from Canadian Tire, as are the small little flowers. So here are the small flowers. The one on the right is called Ivy and Trailer. Okay. Somehow I don't think that's correct, but I could be wrong. The one on the left is Verbena, the purple one. I purchased 4 basil plants, and I added to the basil plants I already had. In this container, I planted beets. I purchased some cilantro, and there was an incident with this container. I'll get to that in a moment. So over here on the far left, this one is just a standard mint plant. There's no specification as to what variety of mint it is. I purchased 3 of those last Sunday. And on Monday at Canadian Tire, I purchased 4 mojito mint plants. Here we are. Let's get into the specifics of the incident that happened, I guess, sometime last night. I planted 4 plants of kale, okay? Red kale. When I got up this morning, I got ready for work, and before I go out to work, when I'm all ready, what I do is I come out on the balcony, I Marco Polo some of my friends, and I just enjoy the scenery. However, this morning I discovered My kale plants had been pulled out and the roots had been munched on. My coriander had been tampered with. There was soil all over the balcony floor. So what I suspect happened, one of my little neighbors here that live in the trees, my squirrel friends, discovered the food sources. Appears that the basil was not touched. So I'm wondering, am I going to plant more kale? I don't know. I could plant more basil and I'll have a lot of basil and I can make some pesto. I think that is what I'm gonna do. I don't think the kale is gonna survive the critters that I share this balcony with. Or I could plant more flowers, but we'll see. What do you think I should do? Anyway, thank you for watching my little update on my container garden.